I'm waiting for people to get notified of the live before I start the video proper. All right, hello guys. Remember when I did the video about herbal preservatives that are made from this very popular plant, which most of you know as Aidan, which is used to make pepper soup. So I told you people that there's an extract of the tree bark that can be used to make a preservative that is a herbal preservative that you can use to preserve food, cosmetics, and so many other things. So I have gone ahead and I've actually made the preservative from the tree bark. From this tree bark, I made this preservative. There it is. So what I'm going to do, and I want you guys to really pay attention, is that I am going to actually test this preservative. So I'm going to test it on orange juice, and I'll carry everybody along. I will get orange juice and I will put different concentrations of this plant preservative in the orange juice and leave it for a couple of days and show you people the progress. Okay, now if the orange juice does not spoil, what does that mean? It means that the preservative is very, very effective. That's what I want to prove, and I want to prove it beyond reasonable doubt to anybody, to prove that plants can actually be this powerful. Because many people believe that you can only get preservation with chemicals. That's not true. Plants can do the job just as good, if not better. And more importantly, the plants will be safe and non-toxic. Yes, so that is the goal, to have a preservative that is safe and non-toxic and is plant derived. So that's what I want to do. So follow me, stay tuned to this page. I'm going to go and get oranges, fresh oranges. I'll squeeze them, I'll put them in little containers and put different concentrations of our preservative inside it, and then you guys can see the beauty of nature. By the way, I'm not going to sell this preservative until I have proved to everybody that it is actually effective. So in case you might be interested, stay tuned to this page. I'm going to start getting the oranges today, and the experiment is going to start probably tonight. So stay tuned, and thank you very much for tuning in to this live video. Bye.